If you want to watch beautiful cinema, watch these three Marathi films. आता थांबायचं नाही. Based in real life, it's a story of these BMC sanitation workers who go back to school to complete their education up till 10th standard. Now the story sounds very simple, but the simplicity is its beauty. This film also very beautifully but subtly reminds you how it's such a huge privilege to be able to have a purpose in life. If today you have the space, the courage, the conditions to be able to have a purpose in life, then it's a big deal. Elizabeth Ekadashi. This is a very sweet film. It's a story of these siblings and they live with their mother and grandmother. Now after their father's death, the things at home have not been great. There are a lot of financial constraints, but there's only one thing that brings them happiness. It's their bicycle जो उनके पापा ने उन्हें दी थी. They call this bicycle Elizabeth. But then conditions become such that their mother is forced to sell Elizabeth for money. That's when these kids decide that they will not let their mother sell Elizabeth, but they will help her make the money she needs. It's so beautiful to see this from the children's perspective. And at such a young age, they also have the courage and confidence that they will be able to do it. Fantry. This is a story of a young boy from a lower caste who falls in love with Shalu, a girl from an upper caste. He dreams of being with her, but at the same time, he's very embarrassed that his family catches pigs for a living. You can sense his frustration throughout the film. Nobody chooses what family they're going to be born into. But it's so unfair that even before he was born, the society decided for him how much respect he should be given, how much can he dare to dream, and how much freedom he has. Throughout the film, he tries to hide his identity, he runs away from it, but the ending scene, it's so powerful, you have to watch it for yourself. Tell me your favorite Marathi films in the comments.